Good afternoon everybody. Step 1 is complete. I've finally managed to get panel up in air. It was sketchy, but I've done it. If I remember while I'm editing, I'll put a picture down here that shows you how I did it with ladders. I basically used this A-frame and extended it all the way up, and then I put some rope over the top and basically put panel up and then pushed it into place. It just so happened as I got bottom at panel to roughly here, it started blowing a gale force wind. That panel was twisting round and spinning round all over. I had no tools to get it up there to fasten it in place, so I just had to stand there for 20 minutes and wait for wind to die down. Just a quick look at brackets then that I've used. I've used end clamps for solar panels. They work two ways, so this side here is for 35mm panels, and then this side is for 30mm panels, which one I've got. And that basically just goes straight into a spring nut. I've got 4 altogether, one here, one on the other side, and then one that top corner and one that top corner. I've just tie wrapped torque cables up here, so cable front panel comes down and then it goes into an extension lead, and I've tie wrapped extension lead up and it comes all the way across this unistrut here. And I've just tucked it behind existing cable, run it across all the way down, and I've just joined it into some Y connectors. I've got both panels wired up in parallel at the minute because one panel, this panel here, is lower down, so it'll get more sun at certain times of day, where this one will get it at other times. So this will get it for longer in afternoon and first thing in the morning, but then it'll be affected by this one because it's not getting as much sun if I put it in series. So I've decided to put them in parallel just so they both work separate. But eventually this panel here will be going up at the side of that one. I've had to offset this panel ever so slightly because obviously it gap from there to there wouldn't be enough if I moved it where I wanted it, and that would mean having to take all this white down and everything else and that, and it's just something I can't be bothered messing about with at the minute. But yeah, I just need a couple of sunny days now just to see how it performs and go from there. I just want to stress to people, weighting this panel here is a lot. They didn't know exact weight on it, but I've picked it up on my own and it's got some weight to it. If you're going to do it on your own, make sure you've got somebody there to help you, and if not, make sure you've got some safety devices in place just in case your panel does slip or whatever, so you've got something to catch it. I have put a spirit level on panel and it is level completely across, even though unistrut's slightly longer here compared to this side. It's just our holes lined up when I fastened it to the top, but the panel itself is completely level. Let me know in comments whether you'd do it the same way as this or whether you would have done it a different way. Do me a favour, hit like button, subscribe, it all helps channel out, helps us to grow, and that. Let's all support each other and grow together. See you later.